This is it, guys. Unfortunately, it's been an awesome ride, and I have to stop doing this. I have to stop creating content. I have to stop streaming. It's not in my hands. It's not my choice. It's the sacrifice I have to make to have a better life. Warning, this is going to be an emotional video, so I'm just being real with you guys from the start. I love you all. Thank you for supporting me so much. No, welcome to another episode of Give Him Chills videos. We are going to be taking down my setup. I am moving to a new house, so I get a new setup, and their setup is going to be awesome. So, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. My name is Give Him Chills. I stream every week, day, whenever. I stream on twitch.tv/GiveHimChills. Hit me up there, play some video games together. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure to sub and you like this video. Let's kick up that algorithm on YouTube. And before we go anywhere, I want to thank you all for being a part of my channel, being a part of my Twitch channel, being a part of my TikTok channel, and just supporting me in anything you guys have been doing. I truly appreciate it. Everybody that has been part of my streaming career so far, thank you so much. We are taking this setup apart because we are moving tomorrow, matter of fact. So I'm gonna be doing some cool time lapses of setting the setup, taking this setup apart, taking all the PC components down, all the monitors, all the desk and all that. We're gonna be building a really cool setup at the new house with a new desk, 3 monitor setup with a PC, full on RGB. It's gonna be sick as it gets. And yes, without further ado, let's get into it, tear this setup apart and build a really awesome one at the new house. Let's go. Alright guys, we took the setup apart. Next thing, let's go to Olive Garden and eat ourselves because we're really sad. Drown ourselves in breadsticks and salads and fettuccine alfredos and carbonadas. See you guys tomorrow. We'll be moving tomorrow. I'll film the new area a little bit, and the next part you're going to be seeing us building the new setup. Let's go. Alright guys, so we just picked up the desk, the legs. It's going to be a beautiful desk. You can see how long it is. I'm hoping it will fit in the car. What is up guys? We are in the car right now. Obviously you can see here, part of the desk is already on me. Barely fit in here. This thing is 78 inches. So it barely fit on our car. We had to put the seats down and actually extend it over the armrest. But thankfully it fit, so that's all good. There's somebody being stupid right here in front of us. We are heading home right now. We're gonna be setting up this desk probably today. I'll be filming all this. It's gonna be, I don't have my seatbelt on, so it's really noisy.
Video
it's stupid.
Really bad.
Stupid.
How do I get out?
There's only one way out. All right guys, so I'm currently in my basement. I'm about to set up my new setup. As you can see here, we have our monitors. Everything is in place here. This is where the desk is gonna go. All right, so time lapse rolling in 1, 2, 3, and go. Let's build this baby.